Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by obtaining the right ICC file for your device and confirming you have administrator access. Place the profile where you can find it, downloads or desktop works. Open Color Management on Windows or System Preferences displays color on Mac OS to begin. Once done, make sure to close color-sensitive apps so the system can register changes. You're initiating the process now. Don't skip backing up the original profile in case you need to revert. Next, install and assign the profile. On Windows, open Color Management, click Add, and choose the ICC file. On Mac OS, copy it into /library/colorsync/profiles and select it in Displays. Choose the device or printer you want to change, then select Use My Settings for this device so the system honors your choice. Assign the new profile and, if needed, set it as default. Once assigned, make sure to test with a known image to confirm appearance changes. To finish, verify the profile by viewing or printing a calibrated test image and comparing results. If colors look off, reinstall the ICC file or reset permissions on the profile folder. Sometimes a corrupt copy causes issues. Also check application-level color management and the rendering intent. Apps can override system settings. If problems persist, revert to your backed up profile and try a different ICC from the same device maker. One key tip: clear caches and restart the app or system before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.